we have been looking for a few options to better meet our needs. What needs are not currently being met? And listen to how the road can go that way. What needs are not being met? Our people don't, our adjusters in the field, they don't have access to real-time reporting. Got it. And how, forgive me, you know more about your business than I do, but when the guys out in the field don't have access to real-time reporting, can you walk me through how that affects you? Now, even if I know, because I'm at a super dope, amazing, let's say I'm an awesome company like RoofScope, right? And I know what it's like to not have this in the field. I'm still gonna leave my pride at home with all of my stacks of cash because I sell a lot of stuff, because I know it doesn't matter how much I know about how super dope, awesome, and amazing the RoofScope product is. What matters is, does the customer arrive at that organically without me going, hey, we've been looking for solutions to better meet our needs. Awesome, came to the right place. RoofScope is awesome. We're going to give you satellite footage. You're going to have all the measurements. Your people are going to be boots on the roof. You're never going to have to worry about this, that, and the other thing in measurements. Okay, great. Can you tell me how much? No value, right? What needs are not currently being met? Well, our people out in the field don't have reporting. Can you give me a specific example of how that's affecting you? Yeah, so we have a roofing project. It's a commercial roofing project, and half the materials got delivered because the measurement wasn't proper. And I actually had to send another guy out there to physically measure the roof. We had a ballpark estimate of what it would be. How long did it wait to get the guy out there? It was 3 days to get the guy out there. What happened with the team that was on the roof installing at the time? They had to cut out early for the day. It's not like they can just stop work and go to a different roof. You still pay them for the day? Well, yeah, I mean, they get paid. How much did that cost? It's a lot. I mean, a good roofer's $40, $50 an hour. How many people did you have on that roof? 10. How many hours were they off? How often does that happen a month? How often does that happen a year? You know, because of the fact that you're burning through about $22,782.50 on paying people that aren't working because the materials aren't there, I'd like to recommend a RoofScope product. What that's going to do is use satellite footage and measurements to make sure that the measurement is spot on the first time. And in any cases, which are not going to happen that often, if you do have to remeasure, you're not going to have to get somebody in a Ford F-150 to go out there. You're going to be able to do that right from your portal. You're going to be able to do that remotely. They're going to be able to do that from a laptop. As long as you have internet access, you can get the measurements on any building in the world. Does it make sense to get your team access? Hell yeah, it does. What? You're $950 a month? Yes. Well, that's really expensive. Not as expensive as what you're paying in labor every time you've got a, you know, Navy SEAL team of $50 an hour roofers sitting around playing flip the bottle in 120-degree heat without their ocean harnesses on. You got a point there. Got dinged by OSHA last month. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it.